There are people out there that say things like store-bought is just fine. Well, not today. I am recreating one of my favorite childhood snacks. You are gonna absolutely love it. I'm Brian Hart Hoffman, the editor-in-chief of Bake From Scratch, and today we cracked the code on iced animal crackers, and a very specific one at that. It has to be the ones that are painted white and pink with a little sloppy icing and a very distinct flavor, and we did it. I can't wait to show you. Let's get started. With my oven already preheated to 350 degrees, let's get things underway here in the mixer. I'm adding the butter and sugar. These are the ingredients you would probably expect from a cookie, but in that research for the secret ingredients that make the flavor so unique, I'm also adding honey. So let's get that in here before we get everything nice and combined. Now with these ingredients nice and combined, let's add an egg and vanilla extract. With everything combined, let's get our dry ingredients together. I've got all-purpose flour, I've got whole wheat flour, and then to this, I'm also gonna add some baking powder, I'm gonna get some salt, and then here's another flavor of that nostalgia. Cinnamon going in. Quick whisk, and then we're gonna gradually add this to that butter mixture. Dough is ready. You're gonna wanna flour your work surface because this dough is a little bit sticky and flour will be your friend here. We're gonna take this out of the mixing bowl. A little bit of flour on top on my rolling pin so we can start rolling this out to a 1/4 inch thickness. But it rolls beautifully like a dream. Once you choose the cutter you want, you're gonna make sure you're nicely flouring it so that the dough doesn't stick. And the dough could even, if you needed to put a little flour on the top of it too, that's gonna help also. So we'll cut our cookie right here, press down to get the nice indentation of the shape to the baking tray. Look at that. And you can re-roll this dough as many times as you need to get all of the cookies that you can. Now let's pop these into the oven and let them bake. It's gonna be so quick, it's like 8 to 10 minutes. We just want the cookies to be nice and baked, and the edge is set and the tops are dry. After baking and cooling quickly, let's make the quick glaze. Now this is super simple, and all it takes is whisking together confectioner's sugar with meringue powder, water, and vanilla extract because, duh, the flavor is so good. And this is gonna give them that beautiful appearance, just like the ones I had as a child. And I'll start just by doing this base mixture, and it's the white color, but then halfway through, if I wanted to add some food coloring to get the pink versions, because the bag has white and pink inside, then you could do that too. So I'm just gonna start here, and then I'll finish up with some with that pink color. Now grab a pastry brush or a food-safe paint brush, and all you're gonna do take the glaze and brush on. Now I hate to use the word sloppy or messy, but the ones from the bag have a very distinct look that's just kind of like get it on there and let it dry. So that's what I'm doing, following that same step. And there you have it, homemade iced animal crackers. You're not gonna need these anymore because these are not gonna last long. When you take the first bite, it's gonna take you right back to childhood, just like it did for me. When you make these, I would love for you to share about it on social media before you devour all of them. And we've got a pretty active Facebook group, so if you wanna head over there and post videos and photos of your versions of these animal crackers, I would love to follow along. The link to that group is below, and you never know. We might share some of those videos in our Instagram channel at The Bake Feed. Now please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I will keep on baking along with you as long as you keep watching. Now it's your turn, everybody. Preheat your ovens, it's time to bake.